Welcome back. This is Level Up with Safare. I'm just taking a walk. Just making a quick video. I apologize to whoever's watching this video if you're already familiar with making money online and I guess passive income, residual income. I apologize, but I made this video for a lot of my friends and current coworkers. They're asking me questions because things is ramping up for me, and I just get tired of breaking it down for every specific person, so I just decided to just make a video and just link them to this. But pretty much they always have questions on how to make money online, how to bring in an income, how to stop trading your time for money, and basically creating something creative and allowing it to become monetized and make money from it. Let me show you guys where I'm at. I'm walking around my house right now. I'm tired, excuse me, I'm out of breath, but this is the area I'm in. I don't know if you can see it. I'm using my phone right now. I got lazy, so I didn't break out the camera, but pretty much the first thing you have to understand and realize is you have to stop trading your time for money. Trading your time for money, what that is basically working a 9 to 5, working a set amount of hours a day and getting paid a specific amount per hour. Because you can basically only work 24 hours in a day, so that means there's a cap on how much you can make, in one day. So if you make $10 an hour, $50 an hour, $100 an hour, there's only 24 hours in a day. There's not, more time is being created, so there's a limit, which is cool. If that's what you like, that's what you like. But also, you're giving your time away. So the time that you have to do other things, you're giving that time to an employer so they can get rich, and pretty much benefit on your expertise and your knowledge in a specific area or your abilities to complete a task. Pretty much. It's pretty much just having a job, just working. What we're trying to get to is passive income. There's multiple ways to make money online. There's multiple ways to do this. There's a couple popular ways. Like I said, I apologize. You probably already know about all this. This is just a video for my current, I'm actually on break right now. I work from home a lot of the days, so this is how I'm able to do this, but I'm actually at work right now, kinda. I'm on break, so I just wanted to break this down real quick. First thing is trading your time for money. Everybody, you should stop that. That's the worst thing possible. I know I'm doing it now, but you can also do things on the side, because the way making money online doesn't really require a lot of time. I'll go into the 4 quick ways. It might be more than I don't know, but the ways that I'm working on now. The biggest one that I like, because you kind of have control of things and it kind of is more hands-on, which is kind of the opposite of what you want, but at the beginning it's nice to basically see progress and see, oh, I did this, I contacted them, this is being shipped out, is Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. And pretty much what that is you would buy some products overseas, something cheap, or it could be expensive, I don't know. But the goal is to make a profit of it. So you buy it in bulk overseas. It could be a spoon, it can be some socks, it can be some shoes, it can be a product, it can be fidget spinners, it can be a hat, it can be anything. But you pretty much buy it overseas at a lower price, and you might buy 1,000 of them, and you send it to Amazon from overseas. So from China or wherever you source them from, you just basically find the right product, you have them send it to Amazon, and Amazon packages it, everything, and puts the labels and all that crap on it, and you pretty much have Amazon ship it out to your customers. So it basically goes up on Amazon like a regular product, And what the ability that you have with that is if you find the right product and you do everything the right way. I'm going to post multiple videos on the ways to do this, but once you post it on Amazon, people are just going and buying your product, and when they buy it, Amazon ships it out to them. So it's basically hands off. You have to find the product, you have to find the manufacturer, you have to watch your inventory, your sales, your prices, your advertising, your pictures, your listing, all that. You have to handle all that, but after that, it's all Amazon. It's hands off, so that's dope. That's one way. Another way is Shopify, which is similar, but instead of buying in bulk, you pretty much you're creating a website. It might be a website geared towards bicycle riding. And you might, on the website, you might have a way for people to buy helmets, pads, bikes, protective wear, you know. And when somebody makes a purchase, you actually go to the, you know, if it's AliExpress or a particular place where they sell those products, and you buy them and you have them shipped over to the customer. So instead of buying 1,000 at a time, it's pretty much made to order. So if somebody buys one hat, you get the money, you go take that money, and you buy it from whoever's selling the hat. So you're the middleman. But the thing is, if you do it the correct way, you can make a profit. So you might sell a hat, sorry, I'm out of shape. You might buy a product, you might sell a product, my bad. You might sell a product for $19.99. Somebody buys it, gives you $20, but then you go right around and buy it from the actual hat guy for $5, and you have them ship it out to the customer. So it's pretty, you know, it's hands off completely with the product, and it's, you don't have to have a lot of, you know, money or capital to start, because you're not making a purchase until somebody else sends you the money for that purchase. So that's dope. But like I said, with that, you have to have a website. You have to market it, you have to throw ads to it, you have to edit it, you have to have some type of following so people notice your website. But once it gets going, you can make millions with that, you know, and it's easy. A lot of, you know, celebrities, they have their own site, you know, you type in so-and-so.com, and if they are selling anything, usually it's a Shopify, you know, because it looks good. It looks like a regular website. Sorry for the sound. It's, I guess they're doing gardening over there. And sorry for the hat too. Sorry, I just got back from a cruise and I got this from Mexico. So it's like one of those authentic hats, you know. So I'm really rocking with it. And it's sunny outside. I live in Las Vegas, so it's like 180 degrees right now. But yeah, we did, what do we do? Amazon FBA, we did Shopify. What's another one? Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is pretty much selling other people's products or services or courses or anything, you know. It's pretty much, if somebody is selling something, you're basically the advertiser. You're drawing people to that service. So like, say if, like on this video, I'm not gonna put any affiliate links on this video, but say if Amazon was selling this hat and I'm doing this video, I would put a link in the description, so when you click on the link, it sends you to Amazon to actually purchase the hat. But when you purchase the hat, I get a cut of it because I referred you. That link is specific to me. And I get a cut of it. So you can just imagine, you know, if you're selling hats, if you're selling, a lot of people do this with courses. So like, say I went and bought like Ty Lopez course or Tanner J. Fox's Amazon FBA course. Once I take it, I can make a video and put a link in the description so people can buy the course. And if somebody buys the course from my link, I get a cut of it. It's another hands-off, you know, situation. It's also a situation where if you have a video that goes viral and has links in the description, a lot of people want to click on those links, because a lot of people are to that, you know, watching the video. And that's dope. That's another way. Like I said, all these videos, all these information I'm giving you now is just an overview. I'm gonna break down each individual way more specifically later on. This is just to get my friends and family just in the door, you know, because I'm gonna be trying to help them out and get things going for them specifically. So this is just a way to, so they can see, you know, which one they want to go into, so they can choose and do more research before they come back to me. I'm tired of answering like 1,000 questions. What is this? What is that? How do you do this? If I want to sell this, how can I sell it? I just bought this at Walmart for $10, but they sell it online for $80. Like, what do I, you know? And that's retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage is basically going to different, wherever you can buy things, and you might find something on sale or super cheap, and they're selling it online for more. So you'll just sell it on eBay, Amazon, whatever you want to do, and you just keep the profit, the difference. If you see something on clearance, you buy it and you sell it. That's retail arbitrage, because you're going to a retail store and selling it for a profit. That's more hands-on, because you got to go find it, garage sales, all that stuff. I mean, that's cool if you start now, but with me, I'd rather do something a little different. So that's one way. That's another way. That's not as passive, but if you're just trying to get in the door, you got a regular job, you're just trying to make money on the side, that's a beautiful way to do it, because it's easy to do research on that. It's just, you're just researching one specific product. You're just scanning the SKU, looking it up, and selling it pretty much, you know, so that's dope. What else? Affiliate marketing, I told you, it's just basically selling other people's product, courses. If you have a following, if you don't have a following, it's hard, you know, because there's not a lot of people going to where you're going. But if you do have a following with blogs or YouTube or social media, it's easy. You just post a link of some popular shit and people are going to it and you get a cut of it. So that's beautiful. I'm sure there's other ways. There's probably a million ways to make money online, but there's a few popular ones. Amazon FBA, we talked about it. Affiliate marketing, Shopify, drop shipping, same thing as Shopify. It's similar to retail arbitrage as well, but it's a little different. What other was it? Affiliate marketing? I don't know. In the comments, just if you guys want to know about something or if I missed something, friends and family, text me. I'll post another video about it because I know we all at different places and seeing things at different times, but this is just a way for like beginners to see exactly what the popular ways are right now to make money online. Like I said, I'm missing some, I'm sure, but if you guys want to know more, like and subscribe. I'm gonna start posting videos every day. Like I'm ramping it up now. I mean, I've been doing a lot of things lately. I've been doing things and getting more knowledge and understanding things. So I mean, I got information to give out and I'm ready to give it out to everybody. So once again, this is Level Up with Safare. I'm changing the name of the YouTube channel, so just bear with me. But yeah, this is Level Up with Safare. I love you guys. If you guys watching this, get money. Your time is more valuable than what you're earning right now. I don't care what you're doing, doctor, lawyer, your time is more valuable. You're more creative and you can do more with your time. You can spend your time better doing what you want to do than doing what you have to do because you're doing it now. So I don't know, whatever you want to do, you want to ask a question, you want to talk, whatever, I'm going to be here. I'm posting constantly now. Like once again, this is my area, Las Vegas. I'm just taking a cruise walk. This isn't anything super serious. I don't have any facts. This is straight off the top. But once again, have a good day. See you tomorrow. I'm going to also start doing giveaways, like for the first comment, the first like, all that stuff, you know, just to get more engagement. Sorry if I'm sweating. Like I said, it's 127 million degrees out here, but Level Up with Safare. Here we go. Let's go. Let's get it.